Today, on this 2010 Honda Accord with a 3.5 liter engine, we're going to go ahead and replace the APP assembly, or Accelerator Pedal Position Assembly. Now this is comprised of several different sensors in the assembly here, and these are not serviced separately. So this is a complete assembly. It comes with a brand new pedal, the mounting brackets, and the sensing units, as well as a return spring inside of there, pre-calibrated for this particular vehicle. So why am I under the hood? Well, again, this is located inside the driver's compartment, but it's a little difficult to see. So before I jump underneath the dash, I want to quick show you where there's the two mounting points here, and we have the electrical connector on the top. So now I'm going to go underneath the dash and disconnect the electrical connector. I'm going to take my ratchet with a 10 millimeter swivel socket, and I'm going to remove the mounting hardware here, unbolt it, and simply reinstall my other one. Do a couple relearns with a scan tool, and we'll be done. So let's head underneath the dash and take a look. So here we are underneath the dash of this particular car, and you can see the pedal assembly right here, and we notice the sensing part of it up here. So we've got one mounting stud on the side, another one on the top, and also our electrical connector. So first things first, I'm going to simply pinch the electrical connector, disconnect it, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove the nuts that are mounting it to the firewall, and then we'll simply reverse the process. I'm going to take my new unit and I will install the studs, make the electrical connection, and then we'll complete the job. We've got the brand new APP installed. It was the two studs, and so like I said, there was one off to the right hand side of it and one up to the top. Simply use my 12 millimeter swivel socket to remove them and reinstalled them, made the electrical connection. I'm going to clear the codes and look in service information, verify any specific relearn procedures that may be required for this. And just like that, we've gone ahead and installed the new APP assembly on this 2010 Honda Accord.